Predicting the next market direction or the next market move can be a lot easier when you understand price action markets movements, when you can be able to read meaning into what the market is doing, the market formations, and all of that. So I took this sell trade on VIX 100 index, and the trade is moving good in profits. More sales is expected basically. I'm expecting this index to sell to this point at least, to sell to this other block level we got on the 1 hour time frame. This zone, yeah. Expecting this index to sell to this point. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this one? Firstly, I was expecting this index to buy. I predicted the buys at this point, which later on I saw that there was a different structure. Basically, I had to look closely to have a clear market identification. So I was able to spot a good bearish structure on a lower time frame that made me take these sells, that made me change my bias from a bullish bias, which I was expecting the buys, to the bearish bias. And you can see the trade is moving good in profit and more sales expected basically. So firstly, why I looked out for the buys is because on the higher time frame, you can see that this index on has been bearish, right? This is the market direction generally. This index has been bearish. And at this point, we had a bullish formation, which I was expecting a reversal on this bearish run. I was expecting a bullish reversal on the VIX 100 index. Looking at how this index has been on a massive decline, on how this index has been on a downtrend, right, on a bearish run. I was expecting a bullish reversal because I got market was forming this higher lows formation and higher highs formation on the daily time frame. So I was just working with this market structure, not knowing that I wasn't able to spot this level properly, identify this level well, to take note of it, knowing that we have this is a strong level of resistance and we could get market sell from this zone. So you can see that market is reacting on this level of resistance. I looked out for buy opportunities at this point, which I was able to get this little buys before price pushed down. And my stop loss was somewhere here. Market was close to stopping me out on the buys before I was able to look closely on the lower time frame, identifying this other block formation here on the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, this drop formation. I'm waiting for price to push up a little bit to come test it for the sell. So it's at this point I took my sells on this index. This is a sniper entry here. You can see it's a good sell entry at this point. So at this zone I sold this index, and I'm still expecting more sells on this index. We had a bullish order block, but it's a weak one, would say, which we got this little bullish move from as before price broke below it. Our market is trading below it right now, so the sales is expected from this current price level to the downside on VIX 100 index. And we have this trend as well on identifying this market direction on this overall market trend on the daily time frame, this daily time frame trend. I went to the 4 hour time frame and was able to spot this zone. This was after I closed out on my buys. I had to analyze this market, and so that this market could sell, we could get the sales, because we have a bullish order block here, which market is yet to give a test on. We're yet to get a test of this bullish order block. Yeah, so I had to reanalyze this market and had a new trade projection, which is looking out for buy opportunities, looking out for sell opportunities, like long-term sales for long-term buys. I expected on this index. So I took the sales at this point. I'm moving in good profits. And on this 1 hour time frame, we also got a bearish formation, which was this uptrend the market was on previously. We got this option that market was on previously. So market actually shifted from an uptrend market to a downtrend market, which this bullish move we got from this other block. Market came to give a retest of it here, a break of this our trend support, and then a retest on it for the sales. So this formation alone should validate my sell entry on this index, adding to the bearish order block I spotted on the 5 minute time frame, which I got my entries on. My SL, I think, is on this my SL is on this blue line, right? That's my SL level on this blue line. I couldn't set a smaller SL because of the nature of the VIX index. You can't place short SL. Your SL has to be very wide. The index is very volatile, so it was created to have a large stop loss level, a large stop loss when trading it. Yeah, so more sales expected basically on this index. I've closed out on some sell positions, and I'm holding on to the sales to run up more sales expected on VIX 100 index, and we just got a 30 minutes time frame candle close right now. So the next candle is likely to be a bearish candle, which would give the sells on this index. So that's how to take the sell trade on the VIX index. Price action basically had to analyze the market after being on a buy trade, after seeing that the market may not give the expected buys, which I was on previously, and my buy has changed, being flexible with my trading decisions. And I'll be setting my next TP level at this zone basically by the end of this video. So I would need to end this video in no time so I can set my TP level, my automatic TP level at that point. My first TP there, second TP would be somewhere at this point, third TP would be at this zone, and probably could just leave the trade to run up to this point, my remaining positions, if I'm to get my 3 TPs smashed to run up to this other block level. And we could still see market do what? Break below this trend support, because this is a 4 time frame uptrend, which is also a daily time frame. The daily time frame uptrend we can see here, yeah. So we could still get market do what? Break below this uptrend, break this trend support. On how we are having this general market direction, this overall market direction on the daily time frame, so anything could happen. So always do well to be flexible with your trading decisions. Don't be too rigid with your trading decisions. If you're looking out for buy opportunities, also have reasons to be on the sell side here. And if you're looking out for sell opportunities, also have valid reasons to be on the buy side, because anything could happen. You could switch on the market, could switch its move, could give a fake out, maybe a buy fake out that would make you think that the market wants to buy, or give a sell fake out that would make you think the market wants to sell. And always risk what you can afford to lose. Always manage your risk, be patient. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That's how to take the sell trade on VIX index. Likely to exit at this point because we could get market traction on this zone. Seeing previous market traction here, resistance, resistance, support here, resistance, resistance, resistance as well, resistance, resistance, support at this point. So we could still see market do what? React on this level as a support, give a little buys to the upside, but the sells is still expected on the VIX index. So it was on this other block I got my entries on market testing this other block, which we can see on the 5-minute time frame chart. This other block formation here, market testing, I took my sells and I really moved my stop loss below my entry, and we got this lower height formation, which is a base structure on this same 5-minute time frame. So I had a lower risk on this index with the minimum lot size of 0.5. I had about $4 risk, $4 risk on this trade. Yeah, knowing the volatile nature of this index permits risks of like $10, $15 or more. So you can see how well the trade is moving. More sales expected, and we're getting the reaction on this level already. So I will end this video right now to close out on my first TP level, my first take profit here. So that's it, guys. That's how to take the sell trade on fixed holiday index by spotting the market formation, identifying my levels and zones, analyzing the markets after seeing that the market may not respect my original prediction, may not follow up my first prediction. How to analyze the market properly and have a good analysis on the market. So hit the like button and drop a good comment on this video for more trade reviews like this and market breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a day.